What you don't know can hurt you. rapid-dri.com.
Hi, I'm Adam Helfman, and I'm here at Mosquito One, and today we're going to learn how to... You're already planning your outdoor barbecues, your... Oh, damn it. Okay, one more time. Whether it's an outdoor barbecue, you're going to get 10% off your next new roof and a free upgrade to the limited lifetime warranty. Limited workmanship? Lifetime workmanship. I was close. Get a free upgrade to a limited lifetime warranty and a limited, no, 10% off your next new roof. Next new roof? Yeah, because it's to the limited workmanship warranty. Just visit hireitdone.com and I'm here with Kristen Andrews, corporate showroom manager of Infusion Kitchen and Bath. Kristen.
Are you gonna get this right today?
I am, but just the socks need to come out of my mouth. I'm here with Kristen Andrews. She's the corporate showroom manager of Infusion Kitchen and Bath.
You're gonna have to
Kristen,
do that one over. I missed it.
and a limited lifetime warranty plus lifetime workmanship warranty. Lifetime workmanship warranty. Okay, I got it. I'm here with Eric Kershke from Mosquito One. Eric, oh wait, sorry.
Did I say so? Dang it. Well, hey, you never know. Protects it from the wind, the sun, and the rain.
What about the snow? No, just kidding. Get 100% off your roof plus free lifetime warranty for the next 5 generations.
100%.
I'm at PPG. I'm at PPG Paints. You're going to get 10% off your next new roof and lifetime workmanship warranty, free upgrade. Ooh. And a lifetime labor manufacturer's warranty on everything but the nails. Are built on an existing crawl space? Did you know that 30% of all homes and 13% of new homes are built on an existing crawl space?
That's wrong.
And there's dead bodies in half of them. Today we've teamed up with Dry.
Hey.
And joining me is Mike Beatty. How you doing, Mike?
Hey, Adam. Thanks for inviting me on.
Yeah, so... and lifetime workmanship warranty. Who's got a gun? Because if someone has one, shoot me. Free upgrade to the lifetime workmanship warranty. There it is, I said it. A free upgrade to the lifetime workmanship warranty on your next new roof. Just visit hireitdone.com for details. There'll be a great blooper reel. I'm gonna send you a link to it because it's gonna be good.
What you don't know can hurt you.